Are you getting the error message your storage could not be upgraded while trying to upgrade your iCloud storage on your iPhone? I totally get how annoying that can be, but don't worry, we've got you covered. There are a few possible reasons why this might be happening, like connectivity issues or problems with your Apple ID, but we'll walk you through some simple solutions to get everything back on track. So let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Sign out and back into iCloud. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Wait for a moment, then sign back in using your Apple ID. Solution 2. Check Payment Method. Open Settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Select Payment and Shipping. Make sure your payment method is valid and up to date, since an expired or invalid payment method can cause issues with the upgrade. Solution 3. Try upgrading storage again. Go back to Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud, then tap Storage. Tap Get More Storage. Choose the plan that works best for you. Then hit Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open the Settings app again. Tap General. Select Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install to make sure you have all the latest features and bug fixes. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. After that, enter your passcode. Finally, tap Reset Network Settings again. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Your storage could not be upgraded issue on your iPhone. If you're still having issues or trouble or have any questions, don't hesitate to ask for help. I'm happy to assist. Thanks so much for watching and good luck with upgrading your iCloud storage.